Okay, ready, go.
There's between
There stood in
hindi yung umpisa. Between two angels, utter and out. There stood in a garden a child sweet and fair. What is the fruit that had ripening there? Two angels were walking above. One gazing with hatred, the other in love. One dressed in black, the other in white. And yun,
the child.
the child never dreamed that the angels were there. He just loved for the fruit, so rich and so rare. How I should like that big apple so red, but I never forget what my dear mother said. Ano?
That doing the things
That doing the things I forbidden to do would make me happy and grieve her heart too. Ano?
take it.
Take it!
Dark
Angel whisper.
and
And eat it! Not very open, you get sunset treat. Ano ba?
there is no one to see.
There's no one to see you and no one to tell.
So up
So up when the hand, a good treat, the put well.
but the child paused a moment.
But a child paused a moment and said, she smiled.
I'll not